Hi, folks. Nice to see you again. So, today I wanted to talk about how much help is too much help in user onboarding and in general user experiences. So, you must all be using certain SaaS products, and sometimes when you see notifications that are not really relevant or that are annoying or that are interrupting your flow at a time when you don't want them to appear, you get really frustrated, right? At least I do. I'm a person with little patience, so I don't really want to see experiences that are not relevant or that I have dismissed earlier or that, are telling me about something I already know. And now, how do you eliminate this situation? How do you stop, annoying your users with your in-app experiences and notifications? And instead, how do you start helping them? So, first of all, you need to eliminate situations when you show people sometimes tooltips that they don't need. Another thing is that you need to eliminate the situations when you show people tooltips that they do not want, right? How do you know that your users don't need or don't want a tooltip? Right, this is a question you can answer in several ways, right? You can either basically make an intelligent guess based on their role or based on the plan they are on, that they don't need to know certain information that is either too basic or that is, for instance, not available in their plan. Another common situation that we see is that you take your users on a ride with traditional linear product tours, and you sometimes tell them things they already know, or you tell them things that they can't implement yet because they haven't completed the previous step, right? So linear product tours are unfortunately very, I would say, just don't really make sense because you're already telling someone to do something they can't do because they haven't done the previous step. Let's take an example of an email marketing tool, right? If you have a linear product tool and you tell someone first to upload their contact list of emails and then to write their first newsletter, how can they write and send their newsletter if they haven't completed the first step, so uploading an email list? Right, but if you have a linear product tool, you have no way of knowing if they actually uploaded the email list or not. So sending them away to somewhere where they can build their first newsletter doesn't make any sense at all. So I would highly recommend that you build triggered-based experiences that, only show after the user has hit a certain milestone or completed a previous step that is necessary for completing the next step. Right, I included some screenshots of such branched experiences compared to linear experiences in the email below. Go check them out, and I will talk to you next week. Bye bye.